so many people telecommuting, I thought I would share my office that we're redoing here. So Mom's helping out today. She's taking the back off a mirror. All right, so we're gonna take this mirror frame from a broken mirror that Mom had, and we're gonna add in my little collection of ladies. So that's some of them, that's the others. And we're trying to do everything in the office pretty budget friendly. And then the fabric that we're gonna add inside the mirror frame is this fabric from Joann's. This one was $10 and I think 49 cents a yard. And it'll match all the colors that we're doing, which are gonna be magentas, golds, and whites. All right, so we've got the back of the mirror removed for our first project, and with the backing, you can either paint this, you can do fabric, you could also make it a French memo board by adding ribbon, or if you want to put metal or the magnetic paint underneath and fabric over, you can use it as a magnet board or chalkboard if you wanted to. And then here's our frame. So with the frame, since we have white furniture, this is going to be painted out white. We're just going to get some white spray paint and then we'll be back. To prep our mirror, we have 2 cans of white Rust-Oleum, and then we have a general purpose spray adhesive. And then to attach the pictures, got either fastener dots from Dollar Tree, or over by the Home Repair and Automotive, there's some foam mounting tape. So we got both just because Dollar Tree can be hit or miss, so we'll see which one does better. And then Mom's taking the fabric and lining that up. If you have a pattern fabric like this where it has larger pieces and then it has the smaller, you want to try to center up the larger pieces. So in order to do that, get a little bit of extra fabric. On this one we have 2 yards for this size of mirror, and we're definitely going to have some scraps, and that's going to allow us to be able to do 2 of the larger patterns with the little outlying singular flowers to the sides. Once you have the pattern where you want it, then you just take the spray adhesive, coat the wooden part, press this down, smooth everything out, and then you're going to cut off the excess. Okay, so once your fabric's attached, then you just return it to the mirror. Things that we learned: make sure that this back piece is cut to fit inside like the mirror did, because ours was a little bit large, so we had to remove some of the fabric to pull it back. And then also the brackets that are on the back that come with it are going to leave too big of a gap, so you'll have to either get like a little piece of wood to wedge in there, some cardboard, or just use a staple gun, which is what we're going to use because we have enough of a lip on the inside edge. This is the mirror flipped over with the fabric, and we did a test of the Velcro things from Dollar Tree, and they actually are going to work the best. So I'm going to Velcro each of the pictures. I already have a little layout that I did, but I've got to hang this on the wall first just to make sure all the pictures are straight. Mom and I got everything put together in the frame, and I laid the ladies out in a pattern prior to hanging this up. And then I've got my little pieces here for the Velcro. And then here's one of my ladies. I've got her Velcroed so I can start attaching them. So I'll show you some progress once that's all done. Here's our finished product. So I've got all my little ladies in my collection. So if y'all have any little pictures like this, or this would even be a cute idea if you just want to do family portraits. But that's one of the projects for my office.